What's going on, guys? So today we're going to look at how you can level your drums perfectly super quick. So let's jump right into this. Alright guys, so when you're leveling your drums, you're going to want to highlight one of the sections of your beat that you can just listen to on repeat over and over again. So for me, it's where the beat first drops. This is where most of the drums are happening, right in here. So I'm going to set these little things up here, make sure this is on. Now I'm going to start listening to my drums and leveling them. So this is how I go about leveling my drums. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off all of them. And I'm just going to leave the kick and 808 to level off first. And then I'm going to leave my melodies as well, so that we're mixing everything together. So now I'm going to start off and get the perfect kick and 808 levels to my taste. Now I'm going to go for the kick. And then once you're happy with those levels, you start bringing things in one by one. So I like to start with the snare because the snare is going to be the next loudest thing. We'll bring in the hi-hat next. Alright, now we're going to go in and start adding in some of the other percussion and drums that we have. So let's bring in the open hi-hat now. Now we can bring in the congas. And then we can level out this little thing right here, which is a transition into that drop. Alright guys, so that's the quick and dirty way that you can level your drums and get them to the perfect level. So just start with one at a time, preferably with the louder ones first. So I started with the kick and 808, then I moved on to the snare, then the hi-hats, and then on from there as they descend. So if you do it that way, you'll be sure to get a good level every time when you're just separating out each thing and tweaking one at a time. Instead of trying to tweak everything together, it can get really convoluted and you're going to be jumping back and forth and you're not going to know what to tweak. So starting one at a time like this is perfect. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching all the way to the end. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because we're uploading daily tutorials and you're not going to want to miss out on them. But besides that, I'll be catching you guys again in the next one. Peace out.